So today we will be looking for the Windows icon that is coming in our taskbar which says to upgrade us to Windows 10. So we will be telling how to use this Windows 10 for the future, as well as you would not want you to go each time to download this Windows 10 setup and do the installation of Windows 7 or Windows 8 first, and after that upgrading to Windows 7, and that will be very time consuming. So as you can see that this is the conventional way as Microsoft has recommended so far, to go and just click on OK, let's continue, and it will just upgrade. So I will be showing the way to use through a USB pen drive that you can actually use and upgrade. So first click on this and go to the setup where all the Windows files are being downloaded. So they are being downloaded here in Windows uh, underscore BT folder. To view that, you have to ensure that you go in view and show hidden files, folders and drive. So after going inside, you will find a file in sources which is called install.est. This is the file. This is a 2.61 GB file. So just copy the file to the folder that we will be using. So I have downloaded a utility and the links are there in the description. So you actually require ESD decryptor. For that you can search on the Google, but this is a customized build, so use that. So we'll be pasting the decryptor file here. So let it copy. Also ensure that you download Rufus latest version. At the moment of this video, this was their latest version, to further make it to ISO. So we'll be first showing the first step to make the ISO out of ESD file. So just download this software, extract it, and it will get into this folder structure. After extraction, copy install.tsd file in the folder as told you, and just right click on decrypt, run as administrator. For the best result, try to keep your antiviruses disabled, because processing will take more time. So it will show you, it will automatically detect install.tsd file in the setup. Create full ISO with standard install.wim. So this will be the first option that you will be selecting, and you will be clicking on enter. So it will show, it will take some time, just keep waiting. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes depending upon your PC's configuration and machine, and after that it will be done. So let's wait. So this is the file that was created by the decryptor after the complete process was completed. And after now you have to, there are two options. If you are upgrading from Windows XP, then you can use Windows USB creation tool that comes in the Microsoft site. You can download it for free. But for the most practical purposes, we recommend using Rufus. There are other applications as well, but Rufus is one of the most commonly used, and therefore it has the minimum chances of any bugs of the system so far. So now I will be telling next step to use Rufus to and use it to create a Windows 10 bootable. So right click on Rufus, click on run as administrator. Now here are the important options that you have to take care of. This is the drive that will be formatting, and GPT partition. Generally you might be upgrading from Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and they actually use UEFI partition scheme, which is a new scheme. And you have to actually configure that, because bootable will not come for that system in the new way. So, and make sure that you select GPT partition scheme. Okay, and this is a very important step. You have to keep a file system of FAT32 for this to work well. Cluster size keep default. This is the same configuration, and just keep anything, but try to leave it default. And quick format, create bootable using ISO image. So from here select the ISO. So this will be the system. uh, and create extended and simply click on start. That's it. You have to just click on start, and after that I will be showing you how it comes after booting. So we'll be now doing the restart of the system. So we all have a pen drive now which is already configured to the system. So I will be just using the option to reboot the system. So we are now booting. So there you can see USB storage. So I will be clicking on USB storage. So here you can see UEFI boot disk. So I will be clicking on this. So here you can see it's processing an icon, and it will now take you to Windows 10 installation screen. So now you can just go and press and do next and just continue with the installation as you have already done. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.